If you're finally ready to kick your bank account and your life up a few levels, where the money is amazing and the lifestyle options will blow your mind, then you need to spend the next 11 minutes and 12 seconds watching this video. Listen, you should do this whether you're in your 20s and just starting life out, full of questions and energy and hope, or you're a grizzled old life-tested average Joe who's not ready for a rocking chair, who still wants to kick ass and take names and make more money faster than you've ever done before. This is exactly where you want to be right now. Don't click out, don't check your phone, don't waste another second looking at tweets, posts, or pictures. The words rich and wealthy are soon going to be used by your friends and loved ones to describe you. Hi, I'm Will Walker. Now, you and I don't know each other yet, but I'll bet that you would fall into one of two categories of people. I've never known a success-driven person yet that didn't fall into one of these groups. The first one is, you think that you can do it all on your own. You're smart, you're tough, you're full of energy, and you never give up. You don't need any help from anybody. Just get the hell out of your way and you'll figure it out by yourself. You don't need some system or some expert. You're bold, you're independent, and by God, you will be successful and you will be wealthy. So, does that describe you? Yeah? Well, let me ask you then. How's that working out for you so far? Yeah, right. You don't have to say anything, I know. It's not working out for you, at least not yet. Maybe you fall into the second group then. You want to make more money, you desperately want to earn a good living, and you've tried everything to make that happen. Your credit cards got maxed out on that last multi-level marketing scam, and the one-click secret, and the drunken guru's secret, and the Russian stripper's secret, and the t-shirt riches secret, and the Facebook wealth secret, and the Amazon treasure secret. Hell, you even bought all the upsells and joined the groups and went to the rah-rah conventions. And the secret to making all that money they promised? Well, it's still a secret, isn't it? All you ever got from all the guru scams you purchased was disappointment, regret, shame, embarrassment, and that nagging feeling of hopelessness, that you'll probably never make any real money, that living paycheck to paycheck is just how it's always going to be. So, do you fall into that second group? Are you ready to give up on finding something that does what it promises, that will actually make you a lot of money, that will make you really wealthy? Listen, I can tell you from years of experience that the really successful wealthy people I know got there with massive amounts of outside help and the right money-making tools. If you're in the first group, if you're one of those I can do it myself people, yeah, perhaps you can go it alone and make some money. I'll guarantee, though, that you'll never make as much or make it as fast as me and my group of friends have been bringing it in. And if you fall into that second group, if you've been burned and let down and scammed over and over by the guru BS all over the internet, if you're ready to resign yourself to a crappy low-paying job for the rest of your life, this is what you've been looking for. This is it. And you're just minutes away from being handed the most exciting, most explosive money-making tool available anywhere. The profit-pulling machine I'm talking about is called Profits Today.
So, of course, I was skeptical at first, but I figured I've got nothing to lose, so I'll give it a try. First, I installed the software, and that was super easy. And I just followed the directions, which was a no-brainer. I sat there and did what it told me to do, when to do it, and all of a sudden, it was like, oh my god, look at all this money. The money just kept coming in within minutes. It's still coming in, so it's great for the bank account, and my wife is loving it too.
Sure, you can do what I did and waste years and thousands of dollars on every new gimmick that pops into your email, hoping that this will be the one. Or you can jump on this today, right now, and get serious real fast about changing your life forever.
For over a year, I worked directly with one of Silicon Valley's top programming minds to produce the Profits Today program. Now, while I can't tell you this man's name, what I can tell you is that he's been part of many of the most successful Silicon Valley startups ever. Now, I'm talking about companies you're sure to know, businesses that have made millions and billions of dollars. Now, maybe like you've done, I had dabbled a bit in the binary options market. I purchased several different binary trading programs. All of them promised to make profitable trades, but seldom got around to delivering on those promises. Now, if you're not familiar with them, don't let the terms markets or trading or binary scare you away. You won't need any experience, any knowledge, or any special education to be profitable with our Profits Today software. I'll tell you why in just a moment. Binary options are a fairly new way to trade. They've only been traded for the last 4 or 5 years, in fact. Traded assets could be stocks, currencies, commodities, metals, or indices. The goal of a binary trader is to correctly determine if the asset's price is going to be higher or lower at the end of a specific time period. How much higher or how much lower makes no difference. How much you'll make or lose does not depend on how extreme the price movements are. The only thing that matters is if the price is going up or if the price is going to go down. If you make the correct trade, you'll profit somewhere between 70 and 85% of your option amount. If you make the wrong decision, you cannot lose more than your original option amount, which could be as little as $5 if you're just starting out. Traded properly, hundreds and even thousands of dollars in binary profits can be yours in just minutes. Seriously, you could enter a trade at, say, 10 a.m. and know the results of that trade by 10:01 a.m. You're able to make a substantial amount of profits in very few minutes. Now, sure, it'd be tempting to try to trade binary options manually, like a day trader would trade stocks or commodities or Forex. You're thinking, it's just going to go up or down, right? How hard could it be? Well, the problem with that is 99% of the traders that try it fail. 99% of all binary traders are losing money. Even with only those 2 choices to make in a trade, they still lose money 99% of the time. See, maybe it's not as simple as it looks. There are millions of factors that can affect the prices, literally billions of bytes of data that needs to be instantly assessed, considered, and weighed, because each and every bit of information can cause a binary asset price to go up or down in an instant. If you've ever tried some other form of trading, you know why the vast majority of traders wind up losers. Now, you'd think that at least one of the programs I tried out would be able to make some money, but no, they were all pathetic. None of them performed. They all lost money. They either recommended so few trades that I'd go days or weeks without a trade, and you don't have much of a chance to make any money if you're not trading. Or they placed so many trades that the little profits I was able to squeeze out would get eaten up by outrageous broker commissions and fees. Look, I wasn't there to make some broker wealthy. I wanted to make money for myself. So, through the friend of a friend, I was put in touch with the Silicon Valley programmer. And after months of trial and error and literally millions of back tests to confirm the software's performance, we're finally able to launch the Profits Today program. It's a trading app so powerful that I can personally guarantee you will bring in money within hours. Profits Today was engineered for immediate profits in enormous amounts. And because of the specifications we demanded of the program, anyone can begin using it within minutes and start to see their profits come in right away. And I do mean anyone can make money with Profits Today. Now, I mentioned before about the number of variables that can have an effect on an asset's price, but with our program, we're not worried about any of it. Turmoil in the Middle East, droughts in California, hand-wringing on Wall Street. Fortunes are being made and lost with virtually every event that you see in the news. And Profits Today takes it all into consideration, instantly scanning thousands of resources and analyzing millions of bits and billions of bytes of crucial information to determine the most probable and the most profitable possible binary trades available. Because the app's recommendations cover every aspect of potential trades, and because the information we'll receive is instantaneous, while being backed by millions of back tests on actual trades, the trade recommendations you're getting with Profits Today have enjoyed a 97.4% success rate. That's right. 97.4% of the time, your binary trades are going to be money makers. And with trading recommendations being made by the software several times a day, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, the potential for you to make a lot of money is mind-boggling. Without a doubt, Profits Today is on the verge of finally bringing you the income you deserve. Life-changing, amazing amounts of cash, quickly and easily. How easy is the app to use? Listen, not only will Profits Today tell you exactly what to trade, you'll have the option to set it on auto trade, and it will even make those profitable trades for you. Starting out, if you're on a limited budget, or maybe you want to see the results for yourself before going all in, you can even program Profits Today to start with small, conservative $5 trades, then automatically reinvest your winning profits to gradually increase the size of the trades. In no time at all, your small, safe transactions, they can grow into big go-for-it trades that will bring in huge money even quicker. And you'll be able to pull it off using house money, using only the profits from your prior winning trades. And remember, when you're cashing in winners more than 97% of the time, making between 70 and 85% on each and every one, your trading account balance and your bank account are going to grow to some very exciting numbers very quickly. Making a lot of money with more free time and a lot more fun in life. That's what's in store for you with Profits Today.
When I was a kid, I always dreamed of owning a Toyota Supra. That was the cool supercar of my day. They only made a very limited number every year from 1993 to 1998. The price, when they stopped making them, the body style, it just shot the price up. And you see the price isn't coming down. I never thought I'd be able to own one. Well, that all changed recently. Now that I have weeks where I'm making $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a week, and my whole life has changed dramatically. So I encourage you guys to check it out. Thanks.
I almost couldn't believe it. When I saw the money coming into my trading account, I still couldn't believe it. All those old student loans, credit cards, the car payment hanging over my head, they're all history. Paid off all of it in just a couple of weeks. This is awesome, and money is still coming in.
Take a look around you right now. Seriously, wherever you are, look around right now. Is this everything you dreamt about as a child? Are you living your dreams, or are you feeling stuck, dug down deep into a hole in life that you're just about out of hope? You're ready to give up. Your dreams for a better life have long since faded away, and you've all but given up. You've quit hoping that life will ever get better. Now, I want you to imagine what your life will be like once the Profits Today software starts sending those huge profits into your account, into your life. Really, do you know what it's going to feel like? How great it'll be to sit down and write out a bunch of checks that's going to pay off all those credit cards, student loans, even a check big enough to pay off that mortgage. Can you imagine that? Think about how it's going to feel waking up in the morning, and that could be any time you want to wake up, and not having to hit the freeway to go to work. Hell, you won't even have to go to work if you don't want to ever again. Think about how nice it's going to be to get into your car without worrying if it's going to start or if you can get a few hundred more miles out of your bald tires. Heck, it's going to be awesome to walk onto that showroom floor, pick out the car you've always dreamed about, and then pay cash for the full amount before you drive it home and show it off to your family. Oh, and just because you can, you'll buy them their dream car too, again, for cash. That family vacation you've always talked about, well, it's about to get longer, more expensive, and a lot more fun. The kids' college funds, you can have those funded in full in no time at all. Family members, your parents, your siblings, you're about to be able to take care of them, and they too will never have to worry about money ever again. Now, do you think you're cut out for a life like that? One with all the money and freedom and joy you could ever imagine? Are you ready to quit dreaming and hoping and longing for that life and take the first step to making it a reality? The Profits Today program is about to make it happen for you. Let me share exactly what's going to happen, exactly what you need to do, and exactly what you can expect when you enter your information on this page to get started with Profits Today. First, let's talk about the price. I know most of you are probably thinking that software this powerful, a program that's going to make you thousands of dollars on autopilot every day without having to do the research, learn any new skills, or taking any time at all, software this profitable and this easy to use, you'd think it'd cost a small fortune, right? My partner and I have invested tens of thousands of dollars and hundreds, if not thousands, of long hours and lots of late nights to develop this amazing piece of technology. If you could buy this program, $4,000 or $5,000 would be perfectly reasonable for an application like this. After all, you'd recover your investment in a matter of days or even in a few hours. Watching the money you're about to see coming into your account, you'd have no problem at all paying me thousands of dollars on the spot. Unless you didn't have thousands of dollars. And like I said earlier, you and I don't know each other yet, but I'm guessing you don't have that kind of money to spend. Yes, you'd get it back in no time at all, but if you didn't have it to begin with, that wouldn't do you much good, would it? Let's do this then. I want to put the price aside for just a moment. I'll come back to it in a bit, and I promise it's going to be a price that's fair, a price you can afford. I should tell you what's going to happen when you enter your information on this page, then are redirected to the next page. First, you're going to be sent to our broker's website, where you'll open a new trading account. You can't very well do much trading without an account, so we've made some special arrangements with our broker who's going to take very good care of you. Once you've opened your account, you'll need to make a small $250 deposit to get your initial trading started. And no, neither I nor the broker is taking any of that money. It's your money to fund the initial trades, and you can get it all back anytime you want. $250 is all you'll need. That's plenty of money to start trading and to start profiting. So again, you'll enter your information on this page, open a new account with our exclusive broker, make a small $250 deposit of funds to get the trading and the profiting kicked off, then we'll immediately activate the Profits Today software. And you'll be off to the races. Your new life will begin to unfold before your eyes before you know it. Yeah, you will begin to see actual profits in your new trading account within hours from right now. You can even start transferring some of that new money to your bank account and begin spending it in a matter of days. It's going to happen that quickly with the Profits Today software. And that brings me back around to the price for the program. How much Profits Today is going to cost you today? And that amount is nothing. I'm not charging you anything for Profits Today when you get started on this page right now. See, with the arrangement we've made with your new broker, I'm going to make a very small percentage only from your winning profits. If you don't profit, I won't profit. Since the 1% I'll be making is so small, and since the broker will take care of processing the payment to me, you'll never even know or even notice the amount that I'll be making from your winning profits. You'll win, and I'll win. And the most powerful Profits Today program that's about to change your life, it's yours today, completely free. So, enter your information right now. Open your new trading account, fund your new account with as little as $250, then I'll activate Profits Today, and you'll start seeing the first of your huge profits today. The entire process, opening and funding the new account, setting up a few parameters on your new software, and clicking your mouse a time or two to begin the profitable trades, the whole thing is going to take just a few minutes. Seriously, less than an hour from right now, you could be watching your first money-making trades right before your very own eyes. And it all gets going just as soon as you enter your information on this page right now. You've got nothing to lose here. Not one thing. The Profits Today app you're about to receive is completely free. Your new trading account with our exclusive broker is completely free. The money you're depositing to fund your new account is still your money. Money you can withdraw anytime you want to. And the money you're about to see coming into your new trading account? Yeah, that's yours. You've got nothing to lose with Profits Today. Enter your information and get started right now. Click the button on this page and let's get you going and profiting right now. Enter your information on this page right now.
You